Well, I found something here. I don't know what it is. It's metal though. I just picked up this flat rock and I'm using it to dig it out. That flat stone that I found is way too heavy. I can't really move it. Let's see what this is now. You never really know what you're going to find when you get digging around here. When you get looking around here. There's a lot of stuff buried in the ground. Let me see here now what it is. I really need a proper shovel to be doing this, but curiosity is getting the better of me. So I'm going to just gently try to work it out if I can here. Oh, well, you know what it is? You know what that is? That's an old, I believe that that's an old alarm clock. That's awful. It looks like that. Yeah. Look, some sort of a, it looks like it's an old alarm clock. Not much left to it though. Look at that. I'm guessing it's an old alarm clock anyway. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Yeah. Anyway, that's what it is, I think. Old alarm clock. Either that or some sort of a gauge. I don't know. Anyway, it's pretty sad looking. That's it. There's all kinds of stuff buried in the ground back here. Anyway, I'm going to come out of here. I wasn't able to move that big rock. I tried to, and it's just too big for me. But that would have been perfect to put my stove on, but I'm just not going to be able to move it. So, look at that, eh? Right in the woods. Talk to y'all later.